Hey there, my name is Brian Southworth with eXp Realty, and I just finished Anthony's class, and I cannot tell you how excited I am, how much I've learned. I can't even process everything right now that I've learned, and it's really good stuff. So get yourself here and get in front of Anthony and let him teach you how to do it.
Hi, my name is Charlene Sumo. I am a agent with eXp Realty, and today I was in Tuesday's training with Pure Realty, and AT was the spokesperson as far as giving us all the information that we needed to exceed and move forward in our business. And of course, he gives all these nuggets that are just phenomenal. So again, he is just the GOAT when it comes to learning how to make that extra money. I just love it. So want to learn? Please don't hesitate to call Pure Realty.
Hello, I'm an agent with the Cole Realty Group, broker by eXp. I had Anthony Thornton's training today, and it was all of that. You all have got to get in this training. Great.
Hey, my name is Keisha Brown with eXp. I had a training with Anthony Thornton. He was phenomenal. He gave me plenty of gems to help catapult my business, and I can't wait to get started.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Shu, and y'all already know Tuesdays are her training. Today, Lauren brought her sponsor, Anthony Thornton, in here today to teach us about how to guarantee 3 listings a month. And y'all, again, I love being a new agent and being submersed in these environments because I'm learning so much that is gonna help me thrive way faster than the typical real estate agent. He helped us with some strategies to implement some things that I did not even know about, and that probably a lot of agents don't know about, that will make you money while you're not working. So sign me up. Yes, please. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Lauren, for an amazing time. Talk soon.